Na ni ati maabitha borithi matongoretio ni munene wa Ruhonge rwa maabitha borithi mwena ucio uria uikaine ta Patrick Lobolia riu ni marikitie kwambika mungururio kaunti-ini iyo na kuria mahotete kuhithukia macini 86 cia guthaka mari gwata katoni 62 cia njohi ngananie ni aria koretwo igithii na mbere na gutabanĩrio mwena ucio. Gukiri uguo ni mugite ati ni marikitie gwikia ngono andu 17 na aria makuruhanitio na ngero ino. Mungururio wa njohi gukirikana ati ni uguthi na mbere kaunti-ini iyo itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni mathara mbeu njithi aingi aria makoretwo mahutitio kumana na uhuthiri na unyui wa dawa cia kulevya mwena ucio. Maya mokite riri munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua onekanite gutigirira ati ni arikia kuhura chabina kwambika bara ya njohi ngananie guothe bururi-ini akiuga ati ni na ati andu aria othe manyitetwo ni minyororo ino ni akorwo akimakombora na njira iria yagiriire.
So we had a raid yesterday and the team managed to go out and they got some counterfeit alcohol.
Because they are not brewed. These things are mixture of ethanol, I don't know, methanol, very dangerous substances, and then it's taken directly. So this effect to the society, it is our duty to tell the society the effects of this, the machines, the drugs, and then all this illicit business going around.
Yesterday, 46 cartons. I can name them. There's power vodka, smart vodka, magic vodka, and also gambling machines zenye ziko hapa. We are going today tutazichoma and we want to send a stern warning through the office of the county commissioner. Anybody involved, whether in selling or drinking the counterfeit alcohol, action will be taken against him or her. So please, members, be vigilant, and even members of the public, mtusaidie kupata hizo arrest. Just tip off. The security team here is always alert. Kindly give us more information. Mahali mnaona mnasumbuka, you are always welcome to our offices.